So this is our room on the 6th floor, room 6231, with a little curtain. Green. Look at this room. 2 double beds. We have the TV, water, because this is a Compass Club, you get your water. I don't know for the other hotel rooms. We're at the Compass Club, so which means that the cards are yellow and not blue because you're at the club level. Some chocolates. These are the vouchers with the Marvel package. To know more about this, check out the video that goes that I put up about the Marvel package. So we have a nice sofa, then a little seating area with the mirror, which has an espresso machine, little cups in there, plugs, which is always a good thing. This is a big room. This is really one of the big rooms. And then, best thing of all, we have a little balcony. And the best thing is, we have a view. Boy, look at this. I think, without a doubt, this is the best room we have ever had in Disneyland Paris. Look at this. We look straight out on the lake. Last time we were here, we were in that room and we had no balcony. We were on the top level. Sorry, that one. No balcony, but this is just awesome. Then we're gonna go check out the bathroom. So this is really nice. Also, one of the cool things, you get a little notepad, a pen that says Disney Hotels, which is cool. Drawer space with the postcards of the 3 hotels. And then here we have a little sink area with then nice little things that come with a club level room, and also the fresh rose. And this is fresh. This is a real one, genuine, no plastic here. Some cool things. Some more soap over here. Big mirror. And then on this we have like the space above. You can put your stuff, hang your clothes. There's a little safe here where you can put, well, I guess if you don't have the biggest laptop or passports in there, you can put your suitcase underneath. And then this bathtub. It's a little weird with the light, but plenty of towels. Nice bathtub. Also the little shampoo, shower gel. The bath robes just there in the corner. And then the toilet a bit hidden behind the door. So, yeah, basically, this is our room, situated 6th floor. Elevators, we just walked up here. So, oh boy, this is gonna be the best. I really love this room. Very spacious seating area. TV, everything we need, coffee machine, and then this view. Oh man, this is really nice. So, thank you all for watching this little room tour here at the Newport Bay. As I said, if you want more information on the Marvel Signature package, I'll link the big video down below. It's a whole package with a dinner, a meet and greet, a gift card. So those were the coupons you just saw here. But go check out this video to have the complete experience and review on that. So thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you real soon. Bye guys.